Ctrl Z, and now we need to move this down by say 50 because it just got directly outside. Sounds good now. Okay, we have this hand palette with the the impression inside, and we're going to get a part on this. Let us have the boxes placed on this. Okay, so let me have one box, and then I have another box which has been placed, and let us extrude these boxes. So here is the one box, and here is the another box. Okay, so here we get the boxes also onto our hand palette, right? And then what are we going to do is, now I'm going to try putting the wheels to this trolley, and this is going to be a quite tricky one. Yeah, sounds good. This is quite good. Okay, most probably let us put in here again, and let us put in here again. Do we have the same sizes of this? No. So now let us put one here. Okay, one wheel here of 90 mm. Okay, then let us put another wheel in the middle because of the load to 90 mm, and then we'll have the last wheel of 90 mm here. Okay, now what we're going to do is basically let us extrude this. Let us extrude these wheels to this 1000 distance, right? So let us just extrude this to what? To the not this way. Yeah, let us make this. Let us make a size of 60. Okay, then we are going to have this again 60, and then this again 60. Okay, so we have all these three wheels been created, right guys? Now let us make these wheels again on this side of the bar. Now the challenge is whether it is going to take that particular, what I can say, location out in there. Okay, so whether it is going to take from this shape, how are we going to have the edges perfectly? Okay, so 90, yes. Then let us, then this also 90. Oh, what happened? Then this also 90. Okay, perfect. Right. Okay, and then we have the third one, which is going to be again 90. Okay, so I hope these wheels are in line with these wheels. Let us make this as 60, and then 60 out in here. Okay, wow, just look at this trolley, guys. And this trolley we can be importing in our Flexsim simulation model. Okay, but this is going to be our industrial trolley, which can be used in order to show that the parts have been transferred. If you want to increase this, you can increase the height of the handles. This probably it looks okay, and if possible, let us try out doing this to make the curvature handle. Is it possible? Let us look how this follow me works. Okay, whether that works. Oh my goodness, it got in something like this. No, this is not working. If I have to make something like what? I want to make that circular this thing. or semicircle, arc, 2-point, or no, and no. It is not possible as of for us to make that probably. Yes, it's not possible. No, orbit and stuff like that. Okay, for the time being, let us keep like this. So our industrial trolley is done. Okay, let us do this one thing. The text which is pending, and where is the text? Or not this text. We want a 3D text. Let us put this as Leansimcorp, right? Let us make this okay. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Oh, I want this horizontal, man. How to make this smaller? Edit the component. Wow. What I can do now, if I want to edit, Control Z. I want to just make the size of this closed component. I want to make the size of this component smaller. Is it possible from here? Oh no. This is going to rotate. No, this is all our endpoints. Pinch axis, all instances, explore, edit component. Let us delete this for the time being now because it's not happening for us. Wow, what is now this? Delete. Okay, let us go to the 3D text. Let us make this 30, and this also 30. And let us type here Leansimcorp. Okay. Wow. Now it is. Yes. Yay! The name comes to our trolley now. Yes. Let us fix it here. Yeah, here comes the name. Can this go inside, by the way? Move. Oh my goodness. I just want to move this. So here is our name, right? Man walking. This is how it is looking, man. The embossing. Edit component. Control Z. Oh my goodness. Explore. Select. Delete. Okay. Let us delete this. Close the component. Oh my goodness. My trolley was going to get it deleted. Not that much code. Okay, let us type again now and the last one, and we are going to close this. We have our industrial trolley created, guys. Yes, let us have it in the front. Okay. This is how it is going to look like when we see it from my head. Leansimcorp. Sounds good. Right? Here is how our trolley looks like. Let me try this. Ideally it should move. Oh, this is what I wanted to use. Oh, Control Z. Escape. Space. Let me click on this. Then this. Not moving, man. This is not moving it. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Let us see in another grand interesting video how to insert this in, because in Samsung S24 Ultra we did it, but I did just got forgot it. But this is how we can create an industrial trolley, guys, in SketchUp, and you can import that in Flexsim. Okay, I'll try to make this available on our website leansimcorp.com for you to use it as a 3ds model file. So that's all for today. Let us meet in another interesting video. Till then, bye bye.